Now, before this video even begins, just hit like and subscribe. That's it. That's all. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh? That's how you start a video off. Chin's barely set a launch control on his car. Now he's out here flexing. He's out here flexing. Ugh. How do you feel about that, Adriel?
I love it. I love it.
Mr. Potter, how do you feel about that?
Sexy. I'm about to trade in my Honda.
Shaggy's, how do you feel about that? Car, how do you feel about that? Hey, hey, hey. And there you go. On today's episode of Dragon Ball Z, Adriel gets low. Oh. Chins, when are your coils coming, dog?
I don't know. I gotta get that surprise thing first that I told you about.
I don't know how I feel about surprises. We all know I don't like surprises.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise, Mr. Potter. Adriel gets slow. Adriel has a lip now.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna be putting our lip on my lip.
Oh,
too.
Chin's got a lip too. Everyone's just out here flexing, shitting on me with my Lolo. She's addicted to the low life. Hello, and me. We got a nice three-piece. See, everyone goes for three-piece wheels. Why go for three-piece wheels when you can get three-piece lips?
Hello.
Oh.
It's me. Look at
Stole some
me.
tape from work. Look at this. Oh, damn. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good, Chinnies.
Oh, yes, sir.
Did you just say or not, Chins?
I was like, suck my dick, and he's like, be careful what you ask for.
Oh. Baba.
Alright, I got it. I got all of them.
All the clips coming off. Okay, this is what this video is going to be about. We got two videos coming in one sitting. Headlights and bumper for, well, headlights and side skirts for Chins. I mean, side skirts. Headlights and front lip for Chins. And then, of course, we got Adriel set up right there. BC Racing. Shoo! Chin's getting his bumper off currently, so we get the headlights off. Yes, sir, Chinnies. Here comes the fun part to getting your bumper off. Are you ready? I'm gonna let you do this. So you got all the clips off on the side, right?
Yeah. On that side too.
All right. So put your hands right here.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. Now pull it off. Pull it. Yeah. Did you leave a clip on your Chins? You left a clip on your Chins.
Oh.
All right, Chins. Fun part time. Pull it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, other side now, Chins? Other side, do the other side now?
Did I get the clip on this side? Yeah.
Yeah,
you did.
I got that one out.
Yeah.
There you go. Be careful. Don't let the ball, I'll hold it right here so the bumper doesn't fall.
Okay.
Pull it straight out. There it goes.
Oh,
And that's how you take off a front bumper on a WRX. I told you these cars are so easy to work on, dude. Like, you gotta love these Supers. They're so easy to work on. Now we gotta do is get the headlights off. You don't know how to get the headlights out?
dude. This looks cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, and where's the last one? I don't remember the last one's at. I know there's 5. Yeah. Yeah, I think that was 5. That's the 5th one. And there's a little clip somewhere where you're missing the clip, so that's it. 5 bolts, we're getting those off. Let's do this. Look who showed up to the install party. Yeah, I know who that is. Equal length header Drexy. Chins, is your car okay? Tee! Headlights off. Ready to go into the oven. We're gonna pull the orange reflector out. Paint everything black. Except the high beams. Because this obviously isn't a bi-xenon setup, so we're gonna leave the high beams silver so Chins can still use high beams since he lives in the boonies.
What up, Drex?
Drex has come to join the party with the Starbucks. Hey, Drexy. Fresh haircut. Fresh Starbucks. Fresh car. Who this? Damn, boy. Boom! Got Chin's headlight pulled open. I didn't record it because he was like, I don't know what to do, and I just grabbed it and ripped it open for him. We got it ripped open. We're gonna take off a couple of screws. I think there's one right there, and there's one or two screws. I think one right there too, and that one. 3 screws. 4 screws. Take those 4 screws off, pull this thing out, and we will spray them black, and most likely spray this piece black because this reflector sucks. So that's probably gonna go black too. Chins, let me tell you right now, while you're here, we're gonna spray this whole thing black too. We'll take this orange piece off because that's fucking ugly. Leave this clear because this is a high beam. Spray this black. Take this off right here and spray that black.
Yeah. Okay.
Chinny's changed his mind, and we are painting the reflector. He said he doesn't use his high beams. He hasn't used it once, so I'm like, all right, well, let's do it then. If you want to do it, fuck it. Turn signal's getting painted as well, so these headlights are gonna look completely blacked out. They're gonna look fucking sick. I'm ready. Hella ready to see this. Look at this dude already scratched the fucking wheels I sold him. Curb rash. G fucking G's. Look at this battery. Trying to curb rash your battery like curb rash the wheels, fam? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I forgot to mention Great Fambino's here. Hey, fam. Hey, fam. Oh, Chinny's doing the last coat on the headlights, too? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, they're gonna look good.
They already look good, dude.
Fuck
I can't
yeah,
wait to put them on the car.
We'll let them dry for like 20-30 minutes and slap them back on.
Alright, sounds good.
Fam, why is your battery look has peeps? Anyone need some peeps for Easter? Hey, that's Twinkie, he got battery peeps for you. We finally get the headlights back. Put this one back together already. Chinny's putting the other one back together already. Oh, Trixie, what do you think? It looks good. Fuck yeah, dude, wait till we get them back together completely. It's gonna be fucking sick. Ugh.
It's a nut.
Big nut.
Get pulled over. Why are your headlights black?
Are your headlights tinted, sir? Why do you got tint on your headlights?
Oh, no, sir.
Mickey Mouse! Nah, this ain't no tint. Okay, I'm gonna tell everyone right now, you cannot get a ticket for spraying the inside of your headlights black. Fam, it's not a tint, bro. It's
an asshole.
If you can't get a ticket for this shit. You can't.
Yeah, if I get an asshole cop, I'll just be like,
no, you can't get a ticket. I'm telling you right now, you cannot get a ticket for this. You don't have tint over your headlight. You're not. That's the reason you don't fucking. Obviously, like, if you had a reflector, if this was your headlight and not your high beam, and you painted this, that'd be fucked because you would have a shitty light output. But you have a projector, which we don't touch. That's why we taped everything off on the projector.
oh,
Keep it
is that,
nice
is
and
that
clear.
why?
That's why it stays
I
clear.
didn't know that. Okay, okay,
Woo!
okay.
Be blessed. Oh, damn, Chins.
They're a little dirty, but I'll clean them later.
His headlights are dirty, but dude, the paint looks so clean. I'm fucking hyped for this shit, dude.
Hey, put it on.
Oh, put it on? Yeah, put it on. Chins right here on this one.
Just test it.
Yeah, test fit, test fit. It's a prank.
What would you do with that one?
Damn, boy, we need to clean your headlights up for sure.
Yeah.
But fucking, we'll just wash them off at least because they're just dusty.
Oh, just clean them.
Let's go buy that McGuire shit real quick.
Damn, you should after this.
Yeah.
That shit looks good though, dog. It's not dirty from the inside to the outside for sure.
So that's good. Yeah, it's the top.
1000% fucking blessed. Let's put these back together. Damn, once Chins cleans his headlights up completely, they're gonna look fucking sick, dude. I like them though. I really do like them. This reminds me of my hatch. This is exactly how I had my hatch headlights painted. Insert picture right here.
Oh, yeah. It's not a collab, but I
Alright kids, PSA right now, working on Adriel's car. Well, I wasn't working on Adriel's car. Adriel's working on his car, and look what happened. Stud broke. Now, no joke, the VAs do have, from what I've heard, cheap-ass wheel studs. I broke a couple wheel studs the first time I took mine off when I had my VA. No inserting pictures here because we don't want to see that car right now, you know? Well, maybe I will insert a picture. I don't know. If you haven't seen it, it'll be here. But he broke a wheel stud. But luckily for him, since I broke wheel studs, I had extra ones. So now we're just gonna throw a new one on. Just be on the lookout for that. These cars do have cheap fucking wheel studs. It's been confirmed now after dealing with 2 VAs with broken wheel studs.
Adriel's like, just put the goddamn wheel studs.
Is that what you're saying?
No, I didn't say shit.
Put on yourself then.
Thank you.
Fuck you. No, just kidding. Nah. No, but really, these things do have cheap studs, so have some extra ones ready. Headlights on, ready for test run.
Alrighty.
Let's start the car, though, Chins. Yeah, start it. I want to see something. I want to make sure my idea worked. Turn the headlights off. Okay, now start it. Yeah. Put the e-brake down. Ah! Put it down again. There you go. Oh, how mean does that look? Damn, that looks so good. Hold it down. Leave it down. Woo! It's a little light pack. And you could wire in these headlights into the daytime running light and it just looks so much better because there's no side markers on. So much better. See, when you put the e-brake down on, those are your daytime running lights now, your low beams. So there's no side markers on or nothing. It's just all black with your fucking headlights kicking on only.
So then now I won't even have to, yeah, switch it.
Unless you want to turn your side markers on. Watch, go turn your side marker. I'll do it. Watch, hold on, stay here.
Okay.
That's the difference. You get the orange. The orange doesn't look bad, no. But like it looks just so much better with the fucking mean ass look.
Without it, yeah.
Yeah, without it. That's why I wired it up to. That's why I needed the wire. Easy mod. Easy mod for any GR owners out there. Last thing to do today, Chinny's lip. And we're officially done. We are done for the day. Look at Adriel's perfect stance car right now. Yes, sir. One finger. That's probably half a crock right there, but it's perfect. Yeah, fam. Oh shit, I'm gonna back it up on Chins right now. You wanna see my face? I haven't showed my face in a while, but here I am. Tired, not hungry because we ate well. One Converse fitment on Adriel's car. We living good. It's a Saturday night with the boys. Damn, y'all, my boy Chin's acting different now. Look at this. Look at him. Oh shit, it looks so good. It looks so fucking good, dude. Oh, how you feel, Chins, about this new look? Doesn't know what to say. He doesn't know what to say. He's like, is this really my car? Is this my fucking Super WRX? I'm like, damn, Adriel, come look at this front end.
Yo, it looks so cool.
Look at this shit, Adriel.
I love it.
Damn, dude.
It reminds me of your Hatchie.
Turn the lights on, Chins, come on. Just turn the headlights on real quick again. Damn, dog, look at that.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta go on the side so I can see the wheels. Damn, dude, look at that front end. Oh, nut all over his car. Oh, damn, dog, look at this shit. Ah! Chins, tell me this doesn't look good. This is your fucking WRX, dog. Look at this shit. Let me hype you up with how good that looks.
That looks fucking good, dude.
That looks so fucking mean.
Honestly, blocking out the headlights is like fucking great option.
That was the fucking move, dude.
And then the lip just adds. Oh, dude, it added what it needed, bro.
All you gotta do is lower that puppy, get some wheels, and you're good on the fucking visual mods.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I don't know about some side skirts.
Side skirts and rear spats? Yes,
Maybe.
sir.
Yeah, definitely.
You need that for sure. Oh, shit. Alright, now it's time for me to go have Boski and help Adriel finish the back of the spoilover so we can get it done and get the fuck out of here. Oh, good fitment? Yes, sir. Adriel, what you got on this side? Oh, shit, before I get smacked. Good fitment? Yes, sir. Now we got, wait, hold on. You guys might be laughing, Adriel, how stock wheels nice and low, right? But I'm not done yet. These going on a couple weeks. Adriel's got to save some money, get some tires, and if you remember, if you've been watching videos for a long time, you went back and watched my old ones, you know what these are already. You should know what these are. Going on a couple weeks. We'll be back. Roll some fenders. Pull maybe a little pull, but they're going on. We ready?
We ready?
This is how you end the activities for the night.
Yeah, slides on top.
Do I open?
This is how you, look at this.
Hold on.
Hold on. Wait, just look at this. 2 packs? 2
I
packs?
won, Chins. I won.
What'd
I
you
got a
get?
Pikachu.
You
How do you
fucking
know?
liar, bro.
I got a Pikachu.
Let's see.
How do you know? How do you know?
Oh, he got a Pikachu! Holographic
I
Pikachu!
can say yes or no, so.
Damn. Settled on a 40 roll.
You want me to check yours too?
Check,
You want
fam.
to check yours? I don't know what.
He's got, look at the Twinkie hacks. All right.
Maybe
Bam.
a Twinkie hack.
Alright.
So everybody out there who collects Pokemon cards, there's a hack going around, so don't buy from the second market.
Alright.
So this is what they do. So you get a flashlight, you can do your phone, whatever you want, and you
Okay.
flash it through the pack.
Okay. Can we see it on the fucking video? or no?
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on the video. I don't know. I can't really see this one.
Damn, fam, they patched
see
your
the
hacks
other
in the
one?
first
Yeah,
update, no?
You see the other pack?
Well, fam did call he had a Pikachu and he got one.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Let me see.
Is that a Pikachu sticker in there?
Yeah, there's stickers in there, big
What
ones.
the fuck?
What the? My light's not even on.
Look at Bay.
Pikachu, I got a fucking.
Hey, Bay. Fam's Bay.
What is that, Roy?
I can't see it anymore. Hold on.
Damn, fam. Shake the pack like it's gonna do something. Probably a Charmander in there, fam.
No. Oh, it's a Sobble. You got a Sobble,
Sobble?
in here. You want me to see
Okay.
that one?
Look at this dude.
Oh my god.
You know, fam. Hey, fam.
Hold on.
You know, fam.
I need my, what do you call it? My snake bite. I heard hell. I've never had my hair this long before.
Damn, fam. You're looking different now, too.
Oh my god.
You got Drex cold over here in the corner. Look at this dude.
Like World of Warcraft. I used to when I was younger.
You used to, you still do.
No, I don't.
Hey, I seen you streaming it last week.
You're capping.
And this is how we end today's video. Right, kitty? My kitty chew right here, look at him. He thinks he's a Pikachu sometimes. He likes crawling on my shoulder. It is what it is. I don't mind as long as I have my sweater on, because if I don't, then he kind of like likes to dig into my skin and it kind of hurts because he needs a way to climb up me. But we don't, kitty, tearing a sticker off my computer right now. But yeah, we're gonna end it here because I gotta stop him from tearing out my computer stickers. And let me give you a quick hint. If you stayed this long in the video, our next video is gonna be good. It might even involve new STI. All right, catch y'all later. Goodbye.